Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Esperanza and I'll be your math instructor for this semester. And for our learning management system, we'll be using Canvas, and all our correspondence, including the homework and the quizzes, will all be given via Canvas, which is our learning management system that we're going to be used for our online class. And this is how it will look like, or one of the screenshots of the interface of the Canvas that we're going to be working on for this. So for most of you, this will be your first time taking up an online class, and I must say that an online class can be intimidating for most students, mainly because most of the work that is being done online is being worked independently with minimal interaction with your classmates and with your professor. So with this video, hopefully I'll be able to give you an orientation and a quick preview on what to expect in an online class. So let's start with how you are going to be graded in our online class. So the grading system is pretty simple. You will be graded with your homework, with your quizzes, and with a discussion page. So your homework is 30%, and the quizzes, which happens every week, will also be 30% of your final grade. And the discussion, which you're supposed to be typing in through the Canvas online platform, is worth 10% of your final grade. Now the midterm and the final exam is also worth 30%. However, the midterm test is a little bit different because the midterm test is the only exam that you will be working on live inside the classroom here in Barstow Community or in your designated proctor center. So make sure to turn in your proctor form on time, so you'll have the option to take your midterm exam or your live midterm exam in a place that is most convenient to you. And this is of course total of 100%. Now for the homework is always given every week, and it usually the homework always opens on a Monday. And the homework is comprised of a video lesson, so it's basically an introduction of what you're supposed to be doing for that particular week. And you will also be given a reading assignment, which will be coming from Canvas and My Math Lab. That is why you need to purchase your access code to get our online textbook, which is basically what we're going to be using for our lesson online. And then the assignment is going to be questions from the video or from the skills that you will be learning for the entire week. And the video and the reading assignment will help you be able to answer the questions on the assignment task of our online lesson. So this is an example of the video lecture that you will be watching in our online lessons. So the video is meant to introduce the lesson or the topic that you were going to be working on online. So in an online class, the video is just meant to introduce and help you see how some of the problems is being worked out. The reading materials that you're supposed to be reading through Canvas and My Math Lab is what you will be using to be able to help you understand the math concepts online. Now for the homework, once again, it is a weekly task that you should be able to finish on a Friday at 11:45 p.m. and you'll only have 5 days to work on the homework assignment and the reading assignment, and also of course to watch the video to be able to earn the full credit for that particular week. And the weekly quiz will be open on a Saturday morning, and it will end on a Sunday at 11:45 p.m. This quiz will be open to you for 2 days, and you have those days to work on the quiz online. Now for the midterm exam is proctored, so you need to turn your proctor form to be able to have the option of taking your midterm exam or your graded midterm exam in a place closer to you. And if you don't need a separate proctor, you can just go to the campus and take the midterm exam from the campus from Monday up until Friday. So the midterm exam will be announced, and I will give you an email or send you an email on when to take the proctored midterm exam. Now for our policy, I just keep it simple. There will be no makeup test nor makeup homework that will be given to any of the students under any circumstances. Remember that your homework is open for 5 days from Monday up until Friday, so you have all those days to be able to complete the task. You can finish it on Monday or you can finish it on a Friday, but make sure to finish the task on time, because if you fail to meet the deadline, there will be no makeup test or special accommodation that will be given to you to be able to make up for the test or homework that you missed for that particular week. And if you miss the homework or you miss the quiz, it will be an automatic 0% on your grade. So please make sure to remember the dates that you're supposed to be turning in your homework and answering the quizzes, so you won't experience any problems like receiving 0% for forgetting to turn in your work on the set deadline. Now, to give you a little bit of information about me, one, I taught in the Philippines, China, and here in the US for over 10 years already. I was born and raised in the Philippines, and I was also educated in the Philippines. I have 2 younger sisters, and I also speak 4 languages: English, Filipino, Mandarin, and Cantonese, because I lived in China for more than 2 years, so I was able to acquire the language and was able to learn how to speak it. And the last fact about me is that Aaron Sanchez of Toronto Blue Jays was my math student for 4 years. And that's 5 facts about me, just for you to have an idea of who your instructor is. For your extra credit homework, you will be creating your own introduction video that you will be sending to me, so that I'll be able to get to know you as well. One, you just have to state your name and your college major, and also I want to know why you have taken this online math class and your expectations from this class. And also I want you to add the 5 facts that you can share with me, and this extra credit point homework will go to your midterm exam, and you have 1 whole week to turn this in. So send your videos to my Twitter. You can send it to my Twitter at Pedro Jose. So that's my handle, PEDROJ0SE, or you can go to Facebook and send it to me. Those are the platforms that you could use to turn in your extra credit video. And once again, this is Dr. Esperanza, and have a good day.